Time. It is the only thing which is most precious in our life, and God has gifted us equally 24 hours a day. In spite of that, some people get success by utilizing time more effectively and efficiently. Presently, Microsoft Excel is the most powerful and widely used software in the whole world. Almost all big corporates use it to analyze their business. Data is money. When it is analyzed, interpreted, and presented properly in a meaningful way. Otherwise, it's just a junk or garbage. Some of the people do not get the opportunity to explore it due to lack of training or proper knowledge. And they understand Excel as a data entry tool only. Actually, it is a very powerful tool to analyze big data, business, accounts, scientific analysis, statistical analysis, etc. We only need to know how we can utilize it. Our course Excel Excellency is for students, job aspirants, job holders, business owners, and scholars. They find it very effective. For your success, you need to think big and act. What you need to do? You need to act and act right now. As time is precious, you need to utilize it more efficiently in your job with the help of Excel. To know more about us and the program, give us a call at 9530983379.